Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing Windows and your Apple account so syncing works. Install iCloud for Windows and sign in with your Apple ID. This lets calendar data move between devices. Make sure two-factor authentication is active because iCloud requires it for trusted devices. Once signed in, enable the Calendars option inside the iCloud app. This makes Windows read your Apple Calendar events. This first action removes access barriers and creates the authenticated bridge needed. Once iCloud is set up, decide how you want to access Apple Calendar on Windows and why. Use Outlook for full local sync, use an ICS link for minimal setup, or use iCloud. Com in a browser for immediate access. If you select Outlook, enable Calendar in iCloud and open Outlook to let it import events. This creates a two-way sync. If you prefer an ICS feed, create a public calendar link in iCloud and subscribe in your chosen app, which gives read-only updates without installing software. Finalize by confirming your events and recurring items show up and behave correctly. Sync can take a few minutes, so be patient. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud on Windows, reboot and sign back in while ensuring Calendar is checked. This often forces a fresh sync. Make sure you're using the same Apple ID on both devices, network access is allowed, and iCloud services aren't blocked by a firewall. If problems persist, test iCloud. Com to isolate whether it's local or account-related.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.